हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू द ब्लॉग। आज है 1 दिसंबर, वेडनेसडे, एंड टुडे इज़ माय ब्रदर एंड माय डैड्स बर्थडे, so wishing you both a very belated happy birthday. I don't know when this vlog is going to come out, but yeah, wishing you both a very very belated happy birthday. I really love you and miss you. अभी जा रहा हूँ यूनिवर्सिटी जिम करने के लिए। कल फर्स्ट सबमिशन है, टुमारो इज़ द 2 दिसंबर। 2 को हमारा IPOM का फर्स्ट सबमिशन, 2000 word assignment, and today after gym there's a therapy dogs ka event happening in college, in uni, so we'll go and play with some cute doggos at uni. तो वो रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए मैंने आज ये व्लॉग चालू किया। Otherwise I had no intention of vlogging today, or like for the next few days at least, but yeah, this will be a good experience. Show you some nice cute doggos. चलो। मस्त वर्कआउट करके हो गया। सो जिम प्रोग्रेस मैंने लास्ट 2 months में आई हैव लॉस्ट 3 kgs. इट्स नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ जिम, बट अपना यूनिवर्सिटी आने जाने में वॉकिंग भी काफ़ी हो जाता है, तो दैट जस्ट डू लाइक 10 minutes कार्डियो स्किपिंग। और जितने भी मैंने यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस देखे थे हाउ टू लूज़ वेट एंड ऑल, उसमें दे आर लाइक यू हैव टू डू वेट ट्रेनिंग, सो वो भी बढ़ा लिया था मैंने, वेट ट्रेनिंग। What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. आज है 15 दिसंबर। काफ़ी टाइम बाद vlog करते हुए, it's been quite a while since I've made a video also, तो थोड़ा ऐसा awkward होगा तो allow it, okay? So right now I'm heading down for my first day at Subway. Yeah, I'll start working from today at Subway. आज मेरा induction shift है, so I have to go to Cowley Road Subway by 2:30. अभी 1:45 हो रहा है, और I didn't apply much for any other jobs क्योंकि मुझे पता था मुझे सबवे में ही काम करना है, तो मैंने उनको बहुत इम्प्रेस किया इंटरव्यू में। I mean I very genuinely wanted to work सबवे पे, क्योंकि मेरे in like growing up I've always preferred Subway over other brands, और मेरे ऐसे deep memories है Subway के साथ। Even my family also is like hardcore Subway fans. We prefer Subway over any other क्या बोलते हैं, any other McDonald's or KFC or whatever. So yeah, today is not that bad actually. ठंडा नहीं है इतना, so let's go. So another reason why I chose Subway, क्योंकि मुझे, I don't know if you guys know me that well now, but I'm really passionate about food, और sandwiches happen to be my favorite, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, cuisine dish. तो I felt like this was an opportunity for me to learn good skill probably to have. मैंने इससे पहले 2017 में when I was in my undergrad, I had done 2 months internship at Tommy Hilfiger in sales. So like that also gave me a lot of perspective about consumers and how they're buying behavior, how you can be a better salesman or whatever. But yeah, this internship or this part-time job will be a little close to home for me, क्योंकि close to home in the sense, as a attachment towards the brand, it will be a little close, और yeah, I'm just really excited. मस्त अभी 1 महीना छुट्टी है, छुट्टी का फुल फ़ायदा उठाते हुए I'll work.
One shift later.
What's up guys? I just got done with my first trial shift at Subway. मज़ा आया. It was good. They told me to start working at the salad section. I don't know how many subs I made, but nevertheless, मज़ा आ गया. Packed myself a half sub for dinner. और अभी घर चलते हैं. Just got back home और this is the Subway का kit यूनिफॉर्म. ये टी शर्ट है, खुद की पैंट्स एंड खुद के शूज़, ब्लैक शूज़. दिस इज़ ब्लैक मैन ब्लैक शूज़ इज़ इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड. यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी काम करना है आपको तो यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू वेयर ब्लैक पैंट शूज़ एंड इन सम केसेस ब्लैक टी शर्ट्स ऑल्सो. एनीवेज मैं अभी घर आया वापस एंड व्हाइल लीविंग आई पैक माई सेल्फ हाफ अ सब. तो ये मेरा डिनर होने वाला है इसका. और फिर we'll get back to assignments. My next shift is day after tomorrow. What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. आज है मंडे 28 दिसंबर और अभी बज रहे हैं 2:15. आई एम हेडिंग डाउन टू कावली रोड अभी, क्योंकि मेरा एक फ्रेंड आया है ऑक्सफोर्ड. आपने इसको मेरे धर्मशाला सीरीज़ में देखा होगा, हैरी करके जो था मेरा फ्रेंड. एक हैरी करके जो ब्रिटिश फ्रेंड बनाया था मैंने, जिसके साथ मैं ट्रैकिंग गया था.
Flashback. End of flashback.
I did overnight camping at Treyond, so met him in Dharamshala and we spent a few good days. So he's come to Oxford. उसको मिलने जा रहा हूँ अभी कावली रोड और 4 बजे शिफ्ट है मेरा. Today I'm doing the closing shift, so that should be interesting, tiring, hectic. And चलो चलते हैं अभी कावली रोड and I'll introduce you to Harry.
Channel.
Yes, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Do you remember him?
Worldwide Bart.
YouTube.
YouTube viewers.
Do you remember this guy? This guy.
I don't think people would remember because I've had a haircut since.
Oh yes, you have had a
Yeah,
haircut. Yeah.
It used to be very bad.
Yeah. So
It
this
used
is
to be very
Harry.
bad. Hello.
We met in Dharamshala. He had come to India for how long were you in India for? About a month.
About a month. Yes.
Yeah.
At the time, I've
Yeah.
been before though. It's nice.
What was your favorite destination in India? What was your favorite thing you saw in India?
It was our trip to
The trek.
it was a
Trivandrum
trek. Yeah.
It was quite nice, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
like I mean, I'm not just saying that for the YouTube channel
Yeah.
either. Like I mean it. That was genuinely a really, really nice
Yeah,
trek.
it was.
I recommend it if anybody
Yeah.
is in the UK and they want a day out during COVID lockdown. You should go to the Himalayas.
Yeah. Why not? And we are planning a trek soon.
Yes,
Somewhere we shall.
Somewhere nice.
Somewhere nice.
Somewhere nice. I don't know where yet.
Where? Yeah, we'll plan
We'll
it
do
as
like
it comes.
we'll make a hat.
Yeah.
You know, and pick
Yeah.
something out of a hat. Yeah.
He's saying Snowdonia is a very nice place to visit.
Snowdonia is really nice.
Yeah. We
The
can do
Lake
that.
District is also very nice,
Uh-huh.
which is also quite convenient.
Uh-huh.
But around here, even in like the Cotswolds,
Cotswolds.
even
Okay.
the Cotswolds are really nice.
Okay.
But yes, we'll think of something.
Yeah, we will.
Anyway,
Nice to meet you again.
it
man.
was nice to see
Yeah,
you as
see you.
well. Have a nice,
Yeah.
have a nice time.
And Merry Christmas to you in advance.
Yes.
See you.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The next day.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. आज है 22nd December. I'm heading down for my shift. Okay, check out the view first. सबवे में काम चालू करके मुझे 1 हफ्ता हो गया and I've done 5 days of work, so it has been very good to work at Subway. it's not just about making the sandwiches and all that. It's more than that. उसके पीछे मतलब how you have to handle the store when the stock starts running out, like now रात को when you're closing the store, उसके क्या procedures, protocols होते हैं. So it's a lot more to learn than just making sandwiches and serving the customers. So it's a very good experience. मज़ा आ रहा है. जिनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ लोग भी अच्छे हैं. एक तो अपना बैचमेट ही है, निर्मल करके. You may have seen him in Srishti's vlog sometime. And check out the view again. It's so good.